Welcome to our tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, we'll guide you how to download YouTube videos on Android and iOS without app. 1. Open your YouTube app. 2. Click on your profile. 3. Tap on Settings, then tap on Downloads. 4. Tap on Download Quality and the Select Ask Each Time option. 5. Switch off Download over Wi-Fi Only option so that you can download videos on your mobile data as well. 6. Now go back and search for the video that you want to download. 7. Tap on the video and then swipe to the right side and you will see the download option. Tap on it. 8. A pop-up box will appear with quality options. Select the higher video quality option. 9. Now tap on Download and your video will start downloading. 10. Your video is downloaded successfully and now you can go to your library and watch the downloaded video even without the internet. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to download YouTube videos on Android and iOS without app. Thank you for watching our guide.